In this video, you will learn how to sign out of Windows 11 account on PC. The easiest method is to use the Start menu. First, click the Start button on the taskbar or simply press the Windows key on your keyboard. When the Start menu opens, click your account profile picture or account name. Click Sign Out and Windows will sign you out of your current account. Another quick method is to use the Ctrl Alt and Delete keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl Alt and Delete at the same time. A new screen will appear with several options. Simply click Sign Out and you will be signed out of your Windows account. You can also sign out by using the Power User menu. Press Windows and X together on your keyboard or right-click the Start button on the taskbar. From the menu, select Shut Down or Sign Out, and then click Sign Out. Another simple keyboard method is to press Alt and F4 together while you are on the desktop. Make sure no other app window is selected. The Shut Down Windows box will appear. Click the drop-down menu, choose Sign Out, and then click OK. You can also use Task Manager, although this method is more useful when managing user sessions. Right-click an empty area of the taskbar and choose Users from the left sidebar. Find your user account, right-click it, and choose Disconnect. Be careful when using this option because disconnecting another user session can close their open work if it has not been saved. And that's it. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe.